Thing? Okay. Hello, my name is Mitchell Boss, and today is April the second Saturday afternoon, April the second 2022. Today's a nice day out today. I mean, kind of gloomy. Today we are doing a cold start of the stihl and husqvarna equipment. So yeah. So let's get started. So kind of set the camera like there somewhere. All right. They are running now. I bought this Pack Wave about brand new in May of 2015 for my birthday. I bought this hand my grandpa bought that wave, hand wave about brand new in Christmas of 2019. And my papa bought this trimmer for my birthday, 2020. I had this almost 7 years now. I had this almost 4 years now. I had this almost 2 years now, and I play one great. And my dad bought this straight shaft trimmer brand new in March of 2017. So I mean, that trimmer runs great. I don't know why it sounds so loud, like when you like rub it. I don't know why it sounds so loud. Comment down below why. I guess excuse me. I think husqvarna makes like wild engines, I guess. So yeah. So, yep. And if you push the throttle trigger, a choke arrow automatically to a 1 position, same thing with a 200. Push that throttle trigger right there, and the choke automatically wants to a 1 position. I did start this up, did I? Here, I just started it up a little bit. Now I'll start this trimmer up. Start this 38 model. And this is a husqvarna 525 LST. Straight shaft trimmer. This is a 525 LST model. This thing's 2017 model. So. And I'll show you those few equipments in our garage and in our basement. So I have the 2006 John Deere LA115. I mean, there's like nothing wrong with it. It's just sitting there, which I'm too young to sit. I mean, my dad lets me mow it, but when he is not here, he does not let me use that. So yeah. And this Troy Bale horse tiller, this thing's a 91 model, a 1991 Troy Bale horse tiller. And this John Deere, one more, this thing's a 2006 model. This thing's like 4 years older than me. And I got this like junk trimmers that it don't work anymore. The stihl FS45. I mean, that's not the 48. That's like a different model. That's a different model. You know. Yeah, I'll just show you. It used to be my grandpa's. It's not my dad's. It's my public class. I mean, this one's my dad's. Well, right there, the Hawks of for 326L. I'll say it's a 2006, 5, 4, 3-ish. Something like that. I'll say it's either 2004 or 2005. I don't know what kind of year model is that trimmer. Or the DFS45, but we have that air compressor thing. It's like So you know that thing that like ways to wash things. We have that. It's the deal works just like that. My dad never used it in years, and so yeah, and I got them acrylic chainsaw. I don't know. You can see it in the background. I worked on it when I was 8, and I meant to fix it, but I didn't. So yeah, and I'll show you the basement, the chainsaws. I'll show you the chainsaws. So my dad, his dad bought his saws new. He bought the Pro-1 Pro and the stihl chainsaws, brand new. And I need to watch my steps here. I don't want to fall and broke myself. Okay, shy. Things making me sketchy, shy. So this is a stihl old 26 chainsaw. It's a 1990s model. My dad, my grandpa, my different grandpa about it. He passed away before when I was born from the heart attack. And I think my dad bought this saw new, this saw right here, or it could be his dad bought that or that. I don't know. I mean, I know he bought this one, but I don't know that. This thing's the 80s or 70s Pro-1 2508 chainsaw. It don't have no chain on it. It's been sitting here for like almost 4 years now, 2.5 years now. So yeah, stihl, two stihl chainsaws. So this one's old. This one's the old 17 model, and so waking out all. My dad never used his chainsaws in years because he used to hurt his back. So yeah, it hurt his back a lot. So yeah. Hurts my dad's back, so yeah. So yeah. I believe this is it of my equipment. See, let me check if I missed one or not. Did I miss any equipment? Oh, and my dad has the that thing, see this thing right here. Right, so when my dad started this one more up, my dad used that thing to hurt that thing in the engine, right there in the engine. So yeah, but my dad don't do that anymore. So yeah. Well, I mean, he hooks it into a battery, so yeah, if you guys don't believe me, it's a 2006 John Deere LA115. Yeah, I'll show it to you. It says on the side, this boat's in my way. It's my dad's fishing boat. Oh, it's 2000. I know you can't really see it on the camera. 2006. It says 2006, like 2006. It's a 2006 John Deere LA115. Goodbye. My name's Mitchell Balls. Bye. See ya.